Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been winning some trades and losing others. His win rate is about 50%. Half his trades are profitable, but he is still losing money overall. How is that possible? Because his losses are bigger than his wins. Today, Rahul learns the concept that separates profitable traders from everyone else. Risk to reward ratio. Rahul learns risk-reward. Here is Rahul's trading journal from last month. 10 trades total. 5 winners, 5 losers. 50% win rate. Sounds decent, right? But look closer. His average win is 500 rupees. His average loss is 800 rupees. 5 wins times 500 equals 2,500. 5 losses times 800 equals 4,000. Net result, minus 1,500 rupees. 50% win rate and still losing money. Risk to reward ratio. Your risk is how much you will lose if your stop loss is hit. Your reward is how much you will gain if your target is hit. If you risk 30 points to make 90 points, your risk-reward ratio is 1 to 3. For every 1 rupee you risk, you stand to make 3. This single number determines whether you are profitable long-term, even with a mediocre win rate. The math changes everything. If your risk-reward is 1 to 2 and you win just 40% of the time, you are profitable. 10 trades. 4 winners at 200 each equals 800. 6 losers at 100 each equals 600. Net profit 200. 40% win rate. Still profitable, because your winners are twice as big as your losers. Now imagine 1 to 3 risk reward. You only need to win 28% of the time to break even. Watch Rahul apply this. TCS is at support at 3,300. Rahul's entry is 3,320. Stop loss at 3,290, 30 points below. Target at 3,420, 100 points above. Risk 30 points. Reward 100 points. Risk reward 1 to 3.3. Even if this trade fails, 2 more winners at the same ratio will more than cover the loss. Now compare this to his old trades. Entry somewhere in the middle. Stop loss 50 points away. Target 20 points away. Risk 50 to make 20. Risk reward 1 to 0.4. He needs to win 70% of his trades just to break even with this ratio. Nobody wins 70% consistently. This is why he was losing money despite a 50% win rate. Same 50% win rate. Old approach with 1 to 0.6 risk reward. 10 trades. 5 wins at 600 equals 3,000. 5 losses at 1,000 equals 5,000. Net loss 2,000. New approach with 1 to 2 risk reward. 10 trades. 5 wins at 2,000 equals 10,000. 5 losses at 1,000 equals 5,000. Net profit 5,000. Same win rate. 10 times better result. The only thing that changed was risk reward. The minimum risk reward you should ever take is 1 to 1.5. Anything below that and the math works against you. Aim for 1 to 2 or higher. The best trades are 1 to 3 or above. If you cannot find a trade with at least 1 to 1.5, do not take it. Wait. There will always be another setup. Taking bad risk-reward trades is the fastest way to blow your account. How to calculate risk-reward before every trade. Step 1. Identify your entry price. Step 2. Set your stop loss at a logical level, below support or above resistance. Step 3. Set your target at the next support or resistance level. Step 4. Calculate. Target minus entry divided by entry minus stop. If it is below 1.5, skip the trade. If it is above 2, take it. Simple. Do this for every single trade before you click buy. Risk-reward is not about being right more often. It is about making more when you are right than you lose when you are wrong. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's trading journey.